Hi everyone, today in this video we'll know about 8 home remedies to get rid of cough naturally. Cough play a role in protecting you. It gets out stuff that does not belong in your lungs and windpipe like inhaled dirt or food. Common causes of cough include allergens, medical condition, irritants, asthma, lung disease, cold, flu, etc. If your cough worsens over time or does not go away within 1 month, see your doctor. Here are some home remedies to get rid of common cough. Number 1. Honey. It has antibacterial properties and can also help to coat the throat from irritation. What to do? Mix 2 teaspoons of honey with water. Drink this mixture twice a day to see the best results. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger is a dry or asthmatic cough. It has anti-inflammatory properties in it. What to do? Add 2 slices of fresh ginger in hot water and also lemon juice to improve the taste. Drink this twice a day to soothe a cough. 3. Gargle saltwater. Gargling can also help loosen thick mucus, which will help to clear bacteria. What to do? Add half teaspoon of salt in warm water, gargle and then spit it out. Do this twice a day. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is an ancient home remedy for cough. It contains curcumin, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in it. What to do? Add half teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk and drink it before going to bed. Number 5. Pineapple. Pineapples contains bromelain, which loosens the mucus in your throat. It also used to treat inflammation and swelling. What to do? Eat a slice of pineapple or drink fresh pineapple juice 2 times a day. Avoid drinking when it's cold as it increases the irritation. Number 6. Ginger. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in it, which helps to get rid of cough. What to do? Crush 3 to 4 garlic and have it with a spoon of honey before going to bed. This will relieve from cough and helps in digestion. Number 7. Spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger and black pepper in water or your tea. These 3 ingredients play an important role in fighting cough. Number 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking lots of water not only soothes the scratch of a cough but also keeps you hydrated, and it also thins the mucus in your throat.